What's going on, everybody? My name is EQ and welcome to EQ Trades. Now, looking at the macro dashboard on the EPIQ Trading Floor website, we can see that we're having a green day finally. Now, if I flip this over to volume, we're also seeing pretty good inflow across the board. This is very bullish and a very good thing to see as we start to potentially find a support. Now, at the same time, you're starting to see a lot of very bullish macro news coming out. A whole lot of things about sheep burns, UAE getting more into crypto, talking about altcoin season, metaverse projects, so on and so forth. Which, by the way, this page is free for anyone to use at epictradingfloor.com. Now, from a TA perspective, we can see we still have a lot of fear in the market as well. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Total are all showing fear or sell signals right now. And like I always like to talk about, be greedy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy. Even going to the longer time frames, we can see that we are showing sell signals and neutral signals on the weekly as well, which means that there's still a lot of fear and people are very uncertain into which direction the crypto market is going to go. And as you can see, Bitcoin has been selling off the last few days. We're finally seeing the potential for a green day. Now, mind you, we are still very, very early on the daily candle, so this can easily swing to the other direction if it really wanted. And we did have jobless claim report come out today. That's going to be the amount of people that claim unemployment. The previous was 220. The forecast was 221. We were actually at 242, which means that there were more jobless claims than actually anticipated. There's also news that came out about quantitative easing, which just means that the banks are going to be investing more into the market, buying in bonds and stuff like that, which is to help curb inflation. The last time we did this was in COVID. And if you're around during the COVID time and trading, you can remember what happened in the Bitcoin and the crypto super cycles. So as the money printers turn back on and as the money starts to inflow, it's going to be very interesting to see what happens within the crypto space as well. And really what I'm waiting for is Bitcoin dominance to sell off. The last time we had Bitcoin dominance do a quick little sell off, this was this mini altcoin season in November, which was very bullish. We saw a lot of projects do well. But at the end of the day, we really want to see this long-term uptrending support finally break. If we can break this long-term uptrending support and then finally drop under this 54% range and into the low 50s and high 40s, we can start to see a really nice parabolic move into the altcoin season. And if you're unfamiliar with the Bitcoin dominance chart, what this shows you is every single time we've gotten into an altcoin run, be it 2017 or 2021, you can see a massive sell-off down into the low 40% range. This happened in 2021, this happened in 2017. And as you can see, we've gone through the whole bear market. We've had our little mini altcoin run, but we have not done this yet in 2025. We have not even gotten close to the 40% range in 2025. So this is going to be my main indicator and chart as to when we actually get into a true parabolic altcoin season where we can see altcoins do 10x, 50x, 100x, and so on and so forth. If you want to come trade with me, there are limited spots available in the EPIQ Trading Mentorship. This is where we help develop long-term profitable traders from 0 to 100. And gives you access to everything on our website, including the mobile app, trade signals, alerts, the community, all of that. So if you want to check it out, go to epictradingfloor.com. At the end of the day, I am looking for a potential little bullish support hold and a bullish impulse move so that we can get into the 4-hour and daily crossover based on the EPIQ crossover strategy and then really get into that true bull run move. But until then, I would be expecting a little bit more sideways movement for the next few days, maybe for the next couple weeks, to really let the charts mature and let everything get back into a bullish crossover, allow all the stars to align, and then potentially take that parabolic move up. So I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world, and I'll see you in the next video.